So we've got a campsite located. Switch the camera view. Okay. Nobody's in these tents right now. Chairs. There's even some weed still left here. A bong. They're not very clean people, that's for sure. There's 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 tents. Only one is up. I know from this area, 5 gunshots came out a few weeks ago. This is where the deer are running from. And last night, 3 black kids were coming into the woods with brand new tents. Actually, here's some of the containers. Like, well, they obviously never opened those tents, so they're just going to the woods for the first time camping. Apparently, this is their regular site. There's sleeping bags, and there's like filthy stuff everywhere. So at least they could have done was be clean, but they did not. Now I think they might even still be here. I hear some people down by the creek in an area where typically you don't hear people. Here's all the sleeping bags. So yeah, if these guys still got their gun and they shoot at me, well, you know what to do. For now, just enjoy the live stream. I'm gonna walk over and see what else is going around here. But yeah, lots of activity in the far southwest location. So the soccer field that's nearby, just go due west, kind of, sort of, and it's, yeah, all this is in that zone, man. Boy, at least they could have done was be clean. Hell, look at this shit. They got the chop up all the trees. Fucking machete. What is this, like their warning? Got this machete just stuck in there. But obviously they got themselves a pile of wood going on. What do I do? What do I do? Okay. Let's walk around the tent. I mean, it's a fucking mess. Oh, they got tarps all down. Yeah, they've been out here a while. So, somebody dropped them off in the car last night. I got some footage. I'll probably splice that in later for something. But I was just curious where they were camping. I didn't realize, like, they were making a fucking mess out of the area. Okay. There we go. Walking towards the creek. Man, do I really want to go through all that right now? Maybe I should wait for them to come back. Probably shoot me. They were like teenagers, 3 black teenagers, but you know, if they're the ones that were shooting the gun a few weeks ago, there's always that chance that they'll come back and fire some shots at me. But they really shouldn't be doing this shit anyway. Fuck, why are they so filthy? Fucking nasty motherfuckers. Is it really weed? It's still a bong. Sure looks like there's still weed in it. Hey, bottles with their fingerprints. Should make it easy. So where do I go? This is the trail they took. I came in off like a non-trail. Figured they'd stay off the beaten trail or something, but there's somewhat of a trail here. Probably just from deer. But that's the soccer field. I mean, I don't know if you can judge that, but yeah, they're not too far from it. And this is where they entered. They looked a little lost if they were dropped off when it was already dark. Google Pixel Cam actually made it look like it was daylight. So what do I do? What the hell do I do with this? I mean, normally I would just leave it, right? But it's so fucking filthy. Do I have them nabbed? I mean, fuck. Maybe I can convince them to clean it. Alright, tell you what. I'm gonna keep walking this way. Sure, hit the horse trail, or the other foot trail. I'm just sick of thorns right now. I got shorts on. You know, maybe they only come out once in a while, but I can't believe all that trash and shit. Just keep going that way. You know what, I'm gonna end the stream so I could save it to the site, and maybe I'll start the stream again. So.